Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a ribbon rose using satin fabric. So in the case that you don't really have a ribbon and you have piece of fabric at home and you want to make this rose design, you can try this method. It is very easy to make. Make sure you're not using a stretchy fabric for this design because it doesn't really go well with it. So make sure your fabric is not stretchy. So you measure out 8 centimeters from the fabric and then you cut a long strap of that 8 centimeters. Meanwhile, I'll be putting the link up there so you can click it and watch the full video of how to make this ribbon rose flower, as I won't be showing the full making in this video. I'm just showing you how to use a satin fabric to make the ribbon design. I've made a previous video on that, so I'll be dropping the link on this video so you can go and watch that. So after cutting it, I'm just ensuring that the edges are straight and okay, but you can actually trim that after we are done with the next step. You can trim it to make sure they are in the same line. We'll just go ahead and fold this into two and iron it nicely. So after ironing, this is what we have. Meanwhile, if you're making this rose design you can currently see on your screen now, there will be no need for you to fold it into two and iron. You can just cut out 4 centimeters, only 4 centimeters, and then cut a long strap of that and trim out the excess edges and start up with your design. But for this one we are folding it into two. I'm just going ahead with my lighter to burn out the pulling excess from the tip of the fabric. So you can just do that nicely and be careful with it so you won't end up burning the fabric. So after that, I'll just go ahead and make the rose flower off camera, and then I'll show you the final result after making. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video.